Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to see all comments you've ever made on YouTube Easy Guide. So for you to be able to see all of the comments that you have or did onto your YouTube account, so you could see that one here onto the history of your YouTube account. But first, you need to go ahead and log in first. Make sure you're onto the right account. You could see that one here onto the upper right corner of the screen. Click onto your profile icon and make sure you're onto the right account where you want to see the comments. Right after that, here onto the left side, you should be able to see this panel. So if you're not seeing this, just click onto these three horizontal lines to open this. Right after, click onto history and you'll get redirected onto your watch history list. There you should be able to see comments under manage all history. So this is where you would be able to see all of the comments you've ever made onto your YouTube account. Simply click onto that and you'll get redirected onto all of your YouTube comments. So as you can see, you have the date for that, the comment that you made, and also the video details. So there are different details in here, such as the time for that, and you should be able to remove that one as well, clicking this X button. And that is just basically it, how you see all the comments you've ever made on YouTube. If you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.